Hey guys, welcome back to So Rachalistic. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a parallax, so yeah, let's get started. So if you're wondering what a parallax is, it's a thing that moves along with your mouse, but not exactly like a mouse trail that literally follows your mouse. So yeah, let's see how to make it. So right now I got my sprites already like pre-drawn already, so yeah. So first step, make your sprite. So for each sprite, copy this code, but you can change the number, I guess. So first do one flat click, and then do the forever block, and then do a go to X and then add a slash operator, and in a mouse X and a mouse Y. So this number can be anything you want, so the bigger the number, see, it's moving along with our mouse, so maybe change it to maybe like 8. Yeah, 8. Maybe use more. Okay, so that means maybe 20 should be good. Yeah. So basically, the less the number, the less it moves. So like, let's say if I do 100, hardly even moves. Look, it's hardly even moving. So make a bigger number, like a smaller number, and just do whatever number you think works. So I might make this maybe like a 25 instead, and let's see what happens. Okay, great. So there. So that is our first sprite, and we can drag it into the hill, the sun, I guess. So we don't want the sun moving that much, so maybe let's shrink the let's make the number more like an 8 instead, like a 10. Okay, let's see what happens. Ooh, interesting. Now it looks like this. Now let's move the code into the hill sprite, because this is basically the same code you'll be using all throughout. This would be not move as much, so we can make this a 3D. So see, it's moving along with my mouse. And then lastly, let's do the mountain sprite, and we will be all done. So then the mountain shouldn't move too much. Maybe a 20. Let's see what 25. Yeah. The hill's already 30, 25. So maybe this can be 15. So let's see what happens to the mountain. Wait, 15. So let's see what this does now. Wow. Let's just wait a second. So let's say we want the backdrop to move as well. When we copy our backdrop, we can delete the backdrop. So now that we have a sprite, you do a one flat click. First you have to do a thing where you pick the go to the front layer block, and then you change it to the back. So now everything's in front of it. Now do a forever loop, the go to X, the slash through each, the mouse X and the mouse Y. Let's make the backdrop move about a 50. don't want it to move too much. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Now it's moving along with our mouse. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, this is what a parallax is. So let's name it Japan Parallax. Parallax. Okay, so this is what it looks like at the end. And yeah. So this is a parallax, and you can add any other effects such as a mouse trail, some other visual effects. You can add music and other things. So this is a tutorial to a basic parallax. Add more if you want, and hopefully you just enjoy this tutorial and try it out yourself. And to see if you want to try playing these projects on your own, you can go onto my Scratch profile, which is Lucy the Sky, which is this, and yeah. And if you want to try this parallax out, it's called Sakura on my profile, by the way, and I shared it out. So yeah, you can go try it out, and if you want to play all my projects, yeah, go ahead, go over there and you can play with it. And also there, I might post tutorials every once in a while, intros and other things. So yeah, you can also look at my Scratch profile for all this. And yeah, I will also be posting on this channel too. So yeah, bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Bye.